What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2006 Kawasaki Ninja 650. Great bike for any of you starters out there that don't want to start on like a 250 or a 300 or even a 400. Scratch right there. This bike's freaking awesome, plenty of tread on the tires, got a couple little scuffs. It's an 06, does have an aftermarket exhaust on it, Scorpion. Missing a bolt right there. A couple little scuffs in the plastic. Not a big deal. This bike's crazy cheap. It's like 30-some hundred bucks, 3,700 bucks. This bike is freaking awesome for you beginner riders out there. A couple little scuffs on the lever there. Just a couple scuffs right there. Seat's in great shape. Top of the tank's in great shape. 20 miles. 15,488 miles on it. Fires up right away. I love the look of this red frame. It looks so freaking awesome. Like I said guys, 2006 Kawasaki Ninja 650R. Let me know if this is something you're interested in guys. Thanks a ton for watching.